Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today I will make video about Pekak Pucai. It's about China's country. So, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Amar Ibrahim, or my friend, you can call me Amar. So, we go to the next slide. Dajiao, or the meaning is hello everyone. This is the first conversation like usually. So in the next slide we go to the basic facts of the China's country. So China has a total area of approximately 9,596,000 square kilometers. It's making it the fourth largest country in the world by land area. That is the first basic fact. So the second, China has the world's biggest temperature difference between the northern and the southern borders, from the desert in the northwest and the tropical in the southeast. And the third basic fact, that is, it has the biggest population of any country in the world, and it is the largest country in Asia. China's longevity and resilience are unparalleled among nations, with over 4,000 years of the recorded history. Okay, so next. Okay, so the next slide, where we can go on China. Okay, so the first spot I will tell you about the historical scenic spot. That is, the first is the Forbidden City. The Forbidden City, also known as the Imperial Palace, is located in the heart of Beijing, or in the capital city of China, and is a must-see for any traveler to China. So this is the place that you must go to there. So the next, of course, is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a group of defensive structures built along the northern borders of the ancient China state and Imperial China. So the third, the best of the historical scenic spots is the Summer Palace. The Summer Palace is a large collection of lakes, gardens, and palaces. It was an imperial garden during the Qing dynasty. Okay, so next, the next spot that you can go on to China, it's natural spots. The first is Yangtze River. Yangtze River is China's longest and the most important river, and the world's third longest river. The first is Amazon, and the second maybe River Nile, and then the third is Yangtze River. So the second natural spot is West Lake. The name is Hangzhou West Lake. This structure is a beauty, and it has inspired both painters and landscape designers throughout China's history. So the next spot is Zhangjiajie National Park. Zhangjiajie National Park is in the Wuling-Yuan scenic area in the central eastern part of the China. Okay, so the next is what the food that we can eat on this country. Okay, so I will tell you about the traditional dishes. That is Peking roasted duck. This food is, or this dish are known from Beijing, that is regarded to be one of the China's national meals. So the second traditional dish, that is China's hot pot. Yeah, you know, of course, what is hot pot. China's have their hot pot. And the next is dim sum. So dim sum is from China. Okay, so this is any Chinese dishes. It is like combined from China and another country. So the first is China's chicken warp. It's from this dishes is from Western style. And the second is the orange chicken. These dishes are popular in the Western. So the next is general sauce chicken. So this is the like spicy and sweet. These dishes have I haven't eaten this next one. Okay. So next is the traditional dance. Yeah, of course. So the traditional dance that we are known, that is Barongsai, or the name is Bayan dance. So this dance are performed during the festival like China's New Year and many of festival. And the second is Dragon dance, and third is Young Gay dance. Okay, so next slide is about where to study on China. So this is the third best China college. The first is Tsinghua University. So Tsinghua University is the consistently ranked as the one of the top university in China. Sorry. So the next is Fudan University. This university are also located in Shanghai. It's a prestigious institution known for its comprehensive range of academic disciplines. So this university can make you more disciplined, and maybe there make the discipline is number one. So the next is Shanghai Jiao Tong University. It is the third top of the college in China. Okay. Maybe that's all from me. 谢谢您 or thank you on China. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.